Today is our May the 4th Be With You event. It's an event where we invited our parents who have chosen Force Elementary as their school of choice, and we're just giving them a tour. We're giving them a little taste of what Force Elementary is all about. And today we get to explore a lot of amazing activities that are STEM, and they have to do a lot with galaxy stuff as well. My favorite thing today is probably the relay race. Students love those scooters, and they were just racing all throughout the obstacle course. We got to explore the galaxy as well in that awesome planetarium, so that was pretty cool. We also have our music program where they get to decorate their lightsabers.
What do the feet look like?
We also have live animals that we brought to the activities today, and they're getting to know more about reptiles as well.
I'm stamping the passports for the students who have completed this Use the Force magnet game.
They're learning a lot about STEM because they got to play some games with magnets as well.
Okay, ready everyone?
And of course, we have an awesome photo booth right behind us.
Thanks everyone.
Events like this are important because I want to make sure that our families are welcome into our schools. I want to make sure that our families become academic partners, and I just want to make sure that our families know that Force Elementary is a great place for their students to be. We're Force Elementary, and may the Force be with you.